Use the VIP code 2025STAKE during registration on Stake, and you'll instantly unlock exclusive VIP benefits like rakeback on your account. Normally, you can only activate rakeback once you reach the bronze VIP level after wagering $10,000, but with my code 2025STAKE, you can get access right from the start. During registration, click on code and enter 2025STAKE. If you've already registered and it's been less than 24 hours, don't worry. You can still activate the code by clicking on your profile icon, going to Settings, selecting Offers, and entering the code 2025STAKE in the Welcome Offer field. Just hit Submit, and now rakeback will be instantly available on your account. Stake offers a second-to-none VIP program, which they've become extremely famous for. Every bet counts towards your VIP progress. Reach new levels and unlock further benefits. Get started with VIP benefits from day one